Hi, this is Eric with Auto Advantage in Escondido. A short walk around video of a 2015 Honda CR-V. So let's get started. Got 121,000 miles on the odometer. This is the EX trim level. Equipped with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. The EPA rating on this car is 34 miles per gallon highway, so it's very good on gas, especially for an SUV. Kind of a burgundy red metallic. Fog lights, alloy wheels. Does have the blind spot camera on the passenger side, which illuminates on the dash whenever you're making a right-hand turn. Overall, pretty clean car. You have some minor paint chips on the rear bumper. Nothing too serious, pretty clean considering the age. Does have a aftermarket tow hitch installed. Cloth seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Since it's an EX, it does have the sunroof. It's got a backup camera, cruise control, audio controls, and Bluetooth. We've also got heated seats, 12-volt power outlet, and then you've got an additional one along with HDMI and 2 USB outlets as well. Pretty roomy in the back. These seats do fold flat. Rear AC and heat vents. Center armrest with cup holders. Now this car did come with fitted leather seat covers. We removed them, so they are optional and you can reinstall them if you want them. You've got handles here to fold the rear seats, so you just pull that and the seat folds flat. So a nice feature there. And as you can see, very roomy. I mean, this is big enough in the back. You could sleep back here if you wanted to for camping or anything like that. So you can reach us at 760-280-7648. You can call or text that number, or visit ibuycleancars.com. That's spelled IBUY, cleancars.com. Thank you, and look forward to hearing from you.